Knock it all down on himself. It's awesome. Amazing. Oh, this is something. Whoa, whoa. Oh, too good. I ain't leaving for a while.
I want to see the chimney get knocked down.
Me too. Hope it don't come down on us.
No.
You could back it up a here.
No, we're good.
You think?
Yeah.
It'd be just like it would happen.
It'd be funny, but I think we're good.
Oh, it's starting to teeter. You
Hope
better push it down that way. I don't want to fall on him. He's smart. He's back enough.
The lady didn't care at all.
I hope she might. I'm gonna ask her. Hey Kim, this is good stuff.
Hey, get out of that entrance.
You
You're
can't.
blocking our entrance.
You got a little spot there. You want us to move, really? You did, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay, where do you want us to go?
I don't know. I didn't know this was such a spectacle.
It's a spectacle. You want to get in the car? Seriously, Kim, what do you want us to do?
Back up so somebody.
We love you.
So somebody.
We
can...
thought. They should have a protective glass on the front of that.
Oh, I missed him knock the chimney over. Dang it.
Did it just fall?
The chimney's knocked over now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. The whole house is gonna go down pretty soon.
You know, that guy should definitely have some protection there. We're going to see if a wood come down and fly in and hit him, he's going to be killed.
He doesn't have too much protection over there, does he?
No.
I don't know, he's either really done or doing this for a long time.
The ceiling's going down in the bedroom.
Oh, look at that.
I wonder what they're going to do next. Burn it or carry it away or what?
I'll have to come back tomorrow.
Same time, same bat place, same bat channel. Hey, shut the blower off. We don't want any of that dust coming in the car.
It's gonna come in anyway.
No, it ain't.
Yeah,
so
no,
much.
it does. A little bit. Ooh.
When we're done, I'm going to go in and buy something.
Okay, what are you gonna buy?
I don't know.
I guess that guy got bored.
It's the fire chief.
No, that other guy was the fire chief.
Oh. He's still there? No, he's gone. I thought that was him.
No, the black truck that was sitting next to us was the fire chief.
Oh, he went over there.
Or he had a Tahoe, no, that's not it. Come on, just fall over.
Oh, we got 5 minutes of good, clean fun.
Oh, the roof's gonna collapse.
I know, it's going to go down. Which way do you think it'll go, left or
It's gonna hit
right?
the tree.
It's going to hit the tree, isn't it? I agree with you. It's going to hit the tree. Finally, that house is down. It's going to look so much better.
Oh, that's not good.
I would think that would be dangerous to go. Oh, that went toward that way.
Oh, he was smart and it didn't go towards the building. Or to the tree. That guy was smart.
I can't believe it won't fall in the road. I can't believe there's not like a...
Well, that's why I want to... Oh, part of it fell. Off the other side.
Oh, your car's gonna get dirty.
What do you mean?
Dust.
It's gonna get dirty anyway.
There ain't gonna be that much dust. The wind's blowing over there, blowing it over that way.
I don't care about the dirty is. Ooh. Hey, a brick fell down. What was that?
I'll go get mouse traps. That's part of the chimney.
Yeah, it might have been.
Chimney. See?
What?
That's the chimney popping.
Ooh, I wonder if he has a respirator.
I know. You think so?
How can this guy have some...
He does. He has a respirator.
That's good. How can this guy not have some of the house fall the wrong way?
He's just that good.
Well, it's not all done yet. What's all that?
Soot from the chimney.
Oh yeah,
It's ashes.
that makes sense. Oh, come on. Oh man, he's good. I want someone to fall on the road.
Oh no, he's too good for that. We give him plenty of room, don't we?
He made it.
Maybe we should have backed it more, I don't know.
No, who cares? He had a funny look on his face though. Well, I think the second floor is about gone. Uh-oh, what's this guy going? Oh, he's good.
We probably could have pulled over there even, but
Well,
this is so much
the
fun.
other guy was over there before. Alright, that wall's going down. They're watching too in the truck. Oh. Oh. Man, he's good.
He's liking this.
Of course he is. You wouldn't have demolition for a job if you didn't like it.
That piece of wood's in his way.
Man, I thought some of that was gonna go on the road. He's good. He got enough dirt on the road though.
Don't you wish you could run that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad the air's heavy and damp. It can't go too far. Well, that's it. I'm gonna go get some mice traps.
Let's see, I want to see what this guy does.
Don't turn on the air conditioning. I don't want that wind in here.
It's already gone.
Yeah, it is.